You might be on TikTok and you might be getting this little pop-up right here, which tells you are typing in either the incorrect account or password. Now, this is a very common little issue and it can affect anybody, but the very first thing that I would recommend telling you, and this is something I've said time and time again, is to first of all, make sure you're typing in the right username and make sure you're typing in the right password. If you are typing the wrong information on both these little options, that is basically going to be the main issue that you're going to be having. So number one, check the username, check the password right there, and make sure those things are right. Just try remembering your passcode, try remembering your username, and that will probably end up fixing it in and of itself. Now let's say you do that time and time again and it's still not working. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is going through and clicking on the forgot password option. So what you want to do here is you want to go and click on forgot password and you will get into this pop-up. So it's going to prompt you whether you want to reset your password with your phone number or your email. So you have to have one of those things in order for this to work. If you don't have one of these options, well then you're not really going to be able to take your account back. You will have to try your best to remember your password. And then when you remember that password, type in, you want to go and make your way to settings, find your username and password and email there, and then recover from there. So here, let's just go and say email. What we can do is we can go ahead and first of all, type in our username or email. As you can see, it says we'll email you a code to reset your password. So what you want to do here is you want to go and type in your email, whatever it is. From there, you want to go and click reset, and then you will go and get an email sent to you. So what you want to do is you want to open up your mail application, go and open up that email they sent you, open it up, set up your new password, and then you can go and make your way back into TikTok, and then it'll, that new password will pretty much work. So that is pretty much how it's done. Again, there's really no other way to go about doing this. You will have to go ahead, if this still doesn't work, you'll have to try your best to remember the password, or you can try recovering it via your phone number as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.